Bariatric surgery has been proven to be one of the most effective treatments for obesity, yet doctors still refer fewer than 1% of eligible patients. Why? And what can you do if you have been told no or you have been ignored? Welcome back. I'm Tradina. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and a developmental psychologist. Today, I want to talk about something that frustrates me as a clinician and that I know frustrates so many people in this community: the massive gap between who qualifies for bariatric surgery and who actually gets referred for it. Here's the reality. Obesity affects more than 40% of American adults. Clinical guidelines say that bariatric surgery is appropriate for people with a BMI over 35 with comorbidities or over 40 without those comorbidities. That's millions of people. And yet referral rates remain incredibly low. Studies have found that fewer than 1% of people who qualify for bariatric surgery are actually referred for it by their primary care physician. Why? There are a few reasons, and none of them are your fault. First, weight stigma in healthcare is real. Physicians are not immune to the cultural belief that obesity is a willpower problem, not a medical one. Second, many primary care providers simply don't have deep training in obesity medicine. They may not know who to refer to, when to refer, or how to have that conversation. Third, there is an assumption, often unconscious, that patients aren't ready or won't follow through. So, what do? First, advocate for yourself explicitly. Don't wait for your doctor to bring it up. You can say, I've been researching bariatric surgery and I'd like to discuss whether it's appropriate for me. Using that direct language changes the conversation. Second, know your criteria. Look up whether you meet BMI and comorbidity thresholds for your insurance plan. Come to the appointment informed. Bring that documentation of your weight history and any related health conditions with you. Third, if your primary care doctor won't engage, you can self-refer to a bariatric program. Most accredited bariatric surgery centers have their own intake process and don't require a physician referral to get an initial consultation. Fourth, consider an obesity medicine specialist. These are physicians with specialized training in treating obesity as a disease. They're more likely to be up to date on both surgical and medication options, and more likely to advocate alongside you. You deserve access to evidence-based treatment. The fact that the system makes this access harder than it should be is a healthcare equity issue, and knowing how to work around it is part of advocating for yourself. Now, before I go, if you want ongoing support from a community that actually gets it, come join my Facebook group. And if you're ready to go deeper, you can join my monthly group coaching membership called the Real Talk Continuum. The details for both the Facebook group and the monthly group coaching membership are in the description below. If this video was helpful, even in the slightest, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you never miss an episode. I'll see you next time.